Hey guys! In this video we are going to checking out the top 5 best folding electric bike review in 2022. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the links in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology reviews. So let's get started. Number 5. Lanca ZX3000 Plus 20-inch Folding Electric Bike. The Lanca electric bike has so many features to attract us. Its body or structure is made of aluminum alloy. The electric bike for adults is equipped with 48-volt 1000-watt powerful brushless motor, maximum speed up to 30 to 40 km per hour easily. It also large capacity 17.5 amp-hour lithium battery. The maximum speed can reach 55 to 65 km per charge, and charging time 6 to 7 hours. This electric bike provide 3 riding mode, as like pure electric mode, hybrid mode, and pedal mode. This electric bike provide powerful dual disc brakes ensure more precise braking, making wheels stop on a dime. Disc brakes work better than rim brakes in wet weather, provide powerful, progressive braking in complicated and changeable terrain. It also puncture-resistant 20-4-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and superior shock absorption ability, all to offer you a comfortable, stable, and confident riding experience. The LCD display provides essential information such as speed, battery level, distance covered, pedal assist level and more. The electric folding bike is commuter-friendly and quickly folds down, making it easy to store in your trunk, on the bus, or under your desk. Number 4. Jingma R3 Folding Electric Bike. The electric bike R3 uses a high-strength aluminum alloy frame. This electric bike provides 800-watt high-speed motor. The upgraded model provides stronger electric power with speed reaching up to 45 km per hour. It also large capacity 48-volt 10 amp-hour lithium battery with larger cells and longer lifetime, covering a range of 60 km per full charge. This bike 3 riding mode is like pure electric mode, pure manpower mode, pedal assist mode. You are free to choose a mode and enjoy cycling in this mode. This electric bike provide high-quality dual-disc brakes for progressive braking even on steep mountain trails, ensuring your ride is safe all day long. The folding electric is 26-inch wheel and 4-inch fat tire, equipped with Shimano 7-speed gear transmission system which can help you in different riding conditions. This electric bike equipped LCD display, high brightness front light, anti-skidding tire, increased stability, comfort, and energetic riding experience. Number 3. Canyou G20 Folding Electric Bike. This electric bike frame made aluminum alloy and lightweight design. The electric bike 48-volt 1000-watt high-speed brushless motor. It can easily assist you to drive at 30 to 50 km per hour. This electric bike equipped 14 amp-hour lithium-ion battery. The range of pure electric cruising ranges up to 60 km per hour, and electric power assisted ranges up to 100 km, and charging time 5 to 6 hours. The adult electric bicycle has front and rear mechanical disc brakes, offering peace of mind while riding. The bright headlight and adjustable rear light make you see and be seen at night. It also 20-4-inch versatile and puncture-resistant knobby fat tires provide you with a stable, comfortable and confident ride. The electric bike for adults has an intuitive LCD display, showing the speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, travel distance and soon. Number 2. Jingma R7 Folding Electric Bike. The Jingma electric bike adopt lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame for quick folding and easy storage. This electric bike equipped with powerful 800-watt brushless motor. Maximum speed can reach 30 to 50 km per hour. This electric bike 25.6 amp-hours lithium-ion battery provides intense climbing and acceleration capabilities. Travels up to 31 to 60 km per charge. And also 3 riding mode, as like manpower mode, power-assisted mode, electric mode. The puncture-resistant 20-4-inch fat tires provide excellent grip and superior shock absorption ability, all to offer you a comfortable, stable, and confident riding experience. The electric bike customize your ride performance with front fork and body double shock absorption and Shimano 7-speed. The perfect dual disc brakes and lighting system fully protect your safety. The electric bike for adults has an intuitive LCD display showing the speed, battery charge, pedal assist level, travel distance, etc. Number 1. Nathaniel ZPHT 26-inch folding electric bike. The Nathaniel electric bike adopts lightweight aluminum alloy collapsible frame for quick folding and easy storage. This electric bike equipped 1000-watt high-speed brushless gear motors and 48-volt intelligent brushless controller. It can easily assist you to travel at top speed of 40 km per hour. It also large capacity 48-volt 12.8 amp-hours lithium battery, maximum range 60 km per charge, and charging time 4 to 6 hours. This bike 3 riding mode is like electric mode, human riding mode, and intelligent power assisted mode. This bike 26-inch 4.0-inch strong anti-slip tire provide you with excellent traction. You can easily ride over gravel, rain, dirt, sand. Shimano 21 speeds. You can choose any speed to enjoy faster riding time or experience relaxing holiday according to your needs. This bike equipped front and rear Tektro disc brake system effectively reducing the braking distance. This bike equipped with LCD display so you can check the riding data more conveniently. Battery level, such as speed odometer,